In this video, I'll show you how to record audio on a Dell laptop. First, open Audacity. Now, connect your microphone if you're using an external one. At the top of the screen, make sure the correct microphone is selected. To start recording, click the red Record button. Speak into your microphone, and you'll see the audio waves appear on the screen as your voice is being recorded. When you're finished, click the Stop button. To listen to your recording, press the green Play button. If you want to save the file, click File, then choose Export Audio. Select the format you want, such as MP3 or WAV, choose a location, and click Save. That's it. Now you know how to record audio on a Dell laptop using Audacity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.